Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing two new accessories on my Street Triple. The bar end mirrors and a belly pen kit. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look what's in the boxes and get it installed on the bike. Alright, so here we go. Here are the Triumph's bar end mirrors. And we get a hardware kit. I've also chosen these matte silver bar end finishers. I think it sort of matches nicely with a flat silver paint on the bike. Okay. And for the belly pen kit, Alright, well, there it is. That's the front portion. I'm gonna have to get. Okay, let's get this thing opened. Definitely packed pretty well. Alright, so the left and the right side. And again, bunch of hardware. Alright, so let's go ahead and get everything installed on the bike. Alright, first let's go ahead and remove stock mirrors. There's a rubber bushing right underneath it. Go ahead and remove that. The kit comes with these plastic plugs. Go ahead and put it in. Alright, now let's go ahead and remove the stock bar end covers. I am not going to be reusing them. The kit comes with two adapters. They do look identical to me, but I am just double checking to make sure, and I believe they are identical. So there's a little groove here, and so is on this adapter. Now, this end goes in this way, right? And let's go get the left side mirror. There we go. That's the proper side. And now let's get the new bar end washer and a supplied screw to finish off the mirror. Alright, the bar end caps is on. The screw is in for the to tighten the mirror, but don't tighten too much. Just kind of keep it loose a little bit. Jump on the bike, get into your riding position and adjust it so obviously, you know, you're able to see properly. So I'm gonna do the right side and then I'll jump on the bike and get everything adjusted and tightened. Alright, the mirror's installed. Let's get this belly pan kit put together. So there's a couple of things to note here. There are a couple of mounting brackets. One goes on the right, one's on the left. I just got to figure out which one's which. They're obviously very different, so I'll have to take a look at the manual. There are two rubber washers here. They just go on just like that. All right. Hopefully you can see that. All right, guys, so I had to consult the manual really quickly. So looking at the front of the bike, that's where the front wheel will be. Basically, the bracket was a little notch. Goes on the left side, and you really can't miss it. That is the only way that you can get it assembled. And the right side, you have an L-shape bracket that goes on, like I said, on the right side. So now we're going to assemble this whole thing together, and then we'll get these brackets on the bike. And so 2 bolts will be used to mount the brackets to the front, and 2 bolts will go and hold the back portion of the. Alright guys, so assembly is pretty simple. 2 screws, one goes here, one goes here. This is what it will look like from the side. The right side, the same exact thing. 2 more screws. So, a couple of quick notes. The long bracket, long straight bracket, goes on the left side of the bike, right? That's the mounting point for it. And the back bracket right here, it's going to mount in this one and only empty hole that's left on the bottom of the bike, okay? Now, another note is that I had to get this heat shield off in order to make my life a little easier, so I can get access to mounting this bracket and getting this last screw in. All right, and on the right side, a little bit easier to see, that's the shorter bracket. That's the mounting point for it, all right? And the rear bracket will mount on this, like I said, one and only empty hole that's available, and it's mounting from the bottom. Was a quick and fairly easy install of the belly pan kit and bar end mirrors on my 2022 Triumph Street Triple R. If this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.